At first glance, the ASUS PadFone looks just like any other Android 10-inch tablet. It's nice and thin and light, and it's powered by the latest Android 4.0 or ice cream sandwich. But it comes with a surprise. There's actually a phone in it, which powers the whole thing. And it's not a bad looking phone either, with a nice 4.3-inch Super AMOLED screen. So let's see that again. On the side of the tablet there's a latch mechanism. Click it, and there's your phone. To eject the phone, you just press down on the lid. The tablet then becomes just a shell, essentially just a screen. Now, we don't want to cause trouble for ASUS, but it must be said, the PadFone phone looks just like an iPhone. I mean, is that an iPhone or what? But so what happens if you get a phone call while the phone's in the tablet? The package comes with a stylus, funnily enough. The stylus is both a traditional stylus and also a handset. That's the earpiece and that's the microphone. And you use the buttons on the side to answer calls. So how well do the phone and tablet work together? In this example, we've called up our TechLife website on the PadFone phone. Now we're going to insert the phone into the tablet to see what happens. There's a bit of a wait, but the tablet eventually picks up where the phone left off. There's TechLife website again. We take the phone out and everything switches back to the phone again. So it's working quite well. And this seamless coupling is really useful for productivity tasks. Say you create a new note in Evernote and then decide that it's probably easier to work on it on the tablet. You just insert the phone back into the tablet and up it pops on the screen with the big keyboard. But the coupling doesn't work for everything. This is the game dead trigger. We pause the game and insert it into the tablet. The game seems to appear okay, but it won't resume. It's basically frozen. The game just doesn't recognize the bigger screen. But pull the phone out and the game starts up again as if nothing happened. In this example, we're using another game, Shadow Gun. Put the phone back in the tablet and it actually just crashes. It won't even start. So you effectively have to start the game again from scratch. But having said all this, once the game gets going on the tablet, it plays brilliantly. And clearly the processor in the phone is powerful enough to drive a big tablet as well. It delivers a really smooth and enjoyable gaming experience. So the PadFone concept is not as seamless as it could be, but you effectively get both an excellent 10.1-inch Android tablet and a big 4.3-inch Android phone. And the tablet, of course, makes use of the phone's 3G connection, even if at the moment it can only work with the Optus network.